So hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a PayPal donate button. So if you want to create a PayPal donate button, you will need to log into your business account and go to the PayPal donate buttons page. So you will need to have your business account. So if you have a personal account, it's not enough. You will need to have a business PayPal donate buttons page. So once you've done that, you can select the donate type, customize your button style and payment page settings, and click publish to get your shareable link or embed code. So you can go through here to get to PayPal donate button. So it's a specific thing that you can set up, as I mentioned before, if you have a business account. So fundraising for every need, set up in minutes. So it's going to look something like that. And you can reach a goal for a certain campaign or stand out with a custom button that you can set up. So from that point, just configure your style and design a landing page so you can add organization details, logos, or descriptions that are going to go alongside with that button. So you can enable notes, toggle the option to allow optional donor comments or custom text fields if needed, and you can publish that code to generate your website HTML code or shareable direct URL. So it's really going to be helpful, especially if you're planning a big fundraiser to help you out. So it's really good to have that, especially if you're starting a business, you want to have your PayPal account linked with that, and you can add that as a donate button to your business. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video, you can also share the video. You can subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on PayPal or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.